Let me introduce you to the Mighty Hoop Pocket Guide.
The Pocket Guide makes it easy for you to line up your garment before you hoop it, giving you precise placement when hooping above a pocket or on shirts with patterns or existing logos.
The 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop and 5.5-inch fixture are commonly used for left chest design placement, and normally the ideal size for when hooping over a pocket. In the embroidery industry, the standard design placement is 1/4 to 1 inch above the pocket. This means the bottom of your design should sit 1/4 inch to 1 inch above the pocket. This can change based on your embroidery design size or your client's preference. All Mighty Hoops come with the standard top and bottom ring. In addition, we also offer a weak bottom ring. When using the Pocket Guide, we highly recommend using the weak bottom ring when hooping items thinner than a sweatshirt. For this video, I will place a piece of tape on the edge of the pocket so you can better see the alignment. Start by placing the 5.5-inch fixture on the standard HoopMaster station. Then place the 5.5-inch weak bottom ring into the fixture. Make sure you move the blue clip into the locked position to ensure the rings do not snap together when aligning your garment. Finally, clip in your backing material. Next, pull your garment on the station and place the top ring of the 5.5-inch Mighty Hoop on the fixture arms. You can see here that the Pocket Guide has 2 notches. These notches hold the Pocket Guide in place. For this garment, I am going to be aligning the top of the pocket with the letter F, which gives me plenty of space to embroider above the pocket. To align the pocket, lightly press down on the fixture arms and adjust the garment until it is perfectly straight with the line. Use both the vertical and horizontal lines on the Pocket Guide for perfect placement. The weak bottom ring allows me to lightly press down for perfect placement without immediately hooping the garment. For thicker garments like heavy sweatshirts and Carhartt jackets, the standard bottom ring will work. Just remember to always place the blue clip in the locked position. When hooping multiple pocket logos, using the same line on the Pocket Guide will guarantee consistent repeat placement. If you are embroidering an item with a pattern, the vertical and horizontal lines on the Pocket Guide will help you embroider straight with the pattern. It will also help you align a new logo with an already existing logo. To order the Pocket Guide or the weak bottom ring, head to hoopmaster.com and click on the accessories page.